It is possible that using a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI plug, could decrease the lifespan of a treadmill. A GFCI outlet is a safety device designed to detect imbalances in electrical current and quickly shut off power to prevent electrical shock. It does this by continuously monitoring the current flowing through the hot and neutral wires. When a GFCI trips, it will cut off power to the treadmill, which can cause it to suddenly stop and potentially damage internal components. GFCIs can be sensitive to voltage fluctuations, which could occur during the starting or stopping of a treadmill motor. These fluctuations can cause the GFCI to trip repeatedly, leading to premature wear on the treadmill's electrical system. GFCIs can reduce the quality of power delivered to the treadmill by introducing impedance into the circuit. This impedance can cause the treadmill motor to work harder, leading to increased heat buildup and potential premature failure. Many treadmill manufacturers recommend against using GFCI plugs because of these potential hazards. They typically suggest plugging the treadmill directly into a dedicated electrical outlet with proper grounding. However, it's worth noting that GFCIs are essential safety devices in areas where there is a risk of electrical shock, such as bathrooms or outdoor outlets. If you live in an area with a history of electrical issues or have concerns about electrical safety, it's important to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best course of action for your specific situation. When a GFCI detects an imbalance, even a very small one, it trips the circuit almost instantly, cutting off power. This rapid interruption is what prevents electric shock. Now, let's consider why this might affect a treadmill. Firstly, power interruptions. When a GFCI trips while the treadmill is running, the sudden loss of power can jolt the motor and other electronic components. Treadmills are designed to gradually slow down to prevent injury, and an abrupt stop can put undue stress on the motor, belt, and control board. Repeated instances of this can, over time, contribute to wear and tear. Secondly, voltage fluctuations. Treadmills, especially with starting or stopping, can cause fluctuations in voltage. GFCIs are designed to be sensitive to these changes. While the voltage change might be normal during treadmill operation, the GFCI could interpret it as a ground fault and trip. These repeated trips can be annoying, but more importantly, they can expose the treadmill's electrical system to unnecessary stress, potentially shortening its lifespan. Thirdly, reduced power quality. Although GFCIs provide a crucial safety function, they can also slightly affect the quality of power delivered to the appliance. A GFCI introduces a small amount of impedance into the circuit. Impedance is the measure of opposition to alternating current, similar to resistance in a direct current circuit. This added impedance can cause the treadmill motor to work harder to maintain its speed, leading to increased heat production and possible damage over extended use. Given these potential issues, many treadmill manufacturers advise against using GFCI outlets for their equipment. They often recommend plugging the treadmill into a dedicated, properly grounded outlet. A dedicated outlet ensures the treadmill has its own circuit, minimizing the risk of overloading the circuit with other appliances. Proper grounding provides a safe path for stray electrical current, reducing the risk of electrical shock without the need for a GFCI. Now, with all that being said, let's talk about why GFCIs are still important. GFCIs are crucial safety devices in locations where there is a high risk of electric shock, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and outdoor areas. These locations are prone to moisture, which greatly increases the risk of electrical hazards. If you are uncertain about the electrical safety of the location where you plan to use your treadmill, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your wiring, grounding, and overall electrical system to determine the safest setup for your specific situation. They can also install dedicated circuits or upgrade your electrical panel if needed to accommodate the treadmill's power requirements safely. Some treadmills come with built-in surge protection, which helps to safeguard the electronic components from voltage spikes and fluctuations. This can be an important feature to look for, especially if you are concerned about the potential impact of GFCIs or other electrical issues. If you decide to use a GFCI outlet for your treadmill, consider using a high-quality surge protector specifically designed for appliances with motors. This can help to mitigate some of the potential risks associated with voltage fluctuations and power interruptions. Consider the location of the treadmill. If it is in a damp or potentially wet area, the GFCI outlet's protection against electrical shock could outweigh any potential harm to the treadmill's lifespan. Balancing safety and equipment longevity is key. If you notice the GFCI tripping frequently when the treadmill is in use, that is a sign that there may be an underlying electrical issue. Contacting an electrician to inspect the circuit and the treadmill can help identify and resolve the problem. Frequent tripping can be indicative of a ground fault or other electrical problem that needs to be addressed promptly to prevent further damage or safety hazards. A treadmill's motor is typically designed to operate within a specific voltage range. Significant deviations from this range can lead to overheating, reduced performance, and premature failure. Using a GFCI outlet can sometimes exacerbate voltage fluctuations, especially if the electrical circuit is already experiencing voltage stability issues. It is worth mentioning that some modern treadmills are equipped with advanced electronic components and sophisticated motor control systems. These components may be more sensitive to power fluctuations and interruptions than older models. Always consult the manufacturer's guidelines and recommendations for the specific treadmill model you have. Different models may have different requirements and sensitivities. Moreover, remember that electrical codes and regulations vary by location. It is crucial to ensure that your electrical setup complies with local codes and standards. A qualified electrician can provide guidance on local requirements and ensure that your installation is safe and code compliant. In summary, while GFCIs are essential safety devices, they may not always be the best choice for treadmills due to potential power interruptions, voltage fluctuations, and reduced power quality. It is important to weigh the risks and benefits, consider the manufacturer's recommendations, and consult with an electrician to determine the best course of action for your specific circumstances. Safety should always be the top priority, but with careful planning and professional advice, you can ensure both safety and equipment longevity. Remember that regular maintenance of your treadmill, such as cleaning and lubricating the belt, can also contribute to its overall lifespan. A well-maintained treadmill is less likely to experience mechanical issues that could strain the electrical system. Therefore, in conclusion, the lady was correct in the advice, and it's a possible outcome.